Friend, this Dhaka city, the mega city, 11 mega city of the world, and the capital of Bangladesh, the largest city in Bangladesh. It originated or emerged in 7th century on the bank of a river Buriganga. This southern side, the in the city in is Buriganga river, where the city emerges. Then it spread to north and also eastern and western side. Now its total area, uh, main city area, 305 square kilometer and population 21 million. It uh, western side, the is river Turak river and also lowland and canals. The water body you are looking at, this Hathirzi, a lake in the heart of city. It northern side, the in Tongi Khal or the part of Turak river. Then the Pleistocene terrace Madhupur. Friend, Dhaka is on the tip of Madhupur terrace, Pleistocene plateau or terrace. Here, friend, we are standing in the middle eastern side. Here, water body, expanding area, and also water body you are looking at. Water body now rainy season is beginning. All are water. This new building, then expanding, filled up land, then water body. Friend, Dhaka is situated in lowland. In lowland filled up by silt, uh, sand, etc. Then build up it. Uh, Today in this video, I will show you the ecology, geology and river system of Dhaka, lowland and water body. Friend, Dhaka, Dhaka basically in the lowland. In the lowland, its northern side, Madhupur terrace, a Pleistocene terrace. Its its tip is Dhaka, and this Dhaka, this Dhaka mainly in the uh, deposited land by the Ganges basin. Right? We are going to go to the river, Buriganga river. That is Sadar Ghat, and the bridge is Babu Bazar Bridge, Kararigal to Dhaka. Here the Kerala, outside of Dhaka city corporation, it's a Upazila. Urban things, you can say urban things or satellite city. Friend, in 7th century, Dhaka city is emerged as a small city, but in the time being, it has been spread to the north, to the south, and to the east. Here, Buriganga River. Here, from here, Buriganga River. It its total length 29 kilometers, and its source Dholeshwari River and mouth also Dholeshwari River. Its average width 300 meters. It is the main river in Dhaka, Dhaka city. Friend, Dhaka also bounded by river. It's Turak River, Turak Khal or Tongi Khal. It's Balu River, and it's Shitaloka River. Let's go with the scenery of Buriganga River. Friend, Baobazar Bridge, Bangladesh-China Friendship Bridge, connecting Keranigঞ্জ and Dhaka over Buriganga River. Friend, Buriganga River is a branch of Dholeshwari River and also sub-river of Dholeshwari River. Its length is 18 kilometers. Here boats, small boats are standing for river crossing. Launches are also standing here. Here launch ghat, Shodor Ghat, Padantoli Ghat. Beside Shodor Ghat, a small ghat, a small sport. It mainly good sport, good transportation. Here a cargo, also standing for uploading or receiving materials. Let's talk a person. চাচা আপনি এখানে কি করেন?
এখানে লঞ্চে চাকরি করি।
He is a servant of launch. আচ্ছা এই যে সদরঘাট থেকে দেশের বিভিন্ন বিশেষ করে দক্ষিণাঞ্চলে কতগুলো লঞ্চ প্রতিদিন যাওয়া আসা করে আনুমানিক?
অনেক মানে 20-25টা তো আসা যাওয়া করে, 20-25টা।
About 20 to 25 launches go different part of Bangladesh from here. আর মালবাহী যে লঞ্চ বা কার্গো এইগুলো কতগুলো এই ঘাটের থেকে মানে সদরঘাট সোয়ারিঘাট এইসব সব ঘাট মিলে কতগুলো জানো মানে?
বহুত প্রায় 150,
প্রায় 150 cargo material carrier goes to different part of Bangladesh from here. তো আপনি কতদিন আছেন চাচা কাজ করেন?
অনেক দিন পর্যন্ত, ওরা 2 বছর 2.5 বছর।
He doing his service here about 2 years. ধন্যবাদ চাচা। It's Shoarighat of Buriganga River. Dhaka is situated on the bank of Buriganga. After the river Keranigঞ্জ, and this is Baobazar Bridge, river bridge. Beside bridge
Sodorghat, a big launch ghat. It's mainly Shuarighat mainly goods transportation, but Sodorghat mainly public transportation by water. Abdullahpur Bridge on Turak River, and also a flyover is being built for connecting Dhaka and Gazipur. It's Turak River. It's Turak River. Turak River divided Dhaka and Gazipur. Gazipur is a separate city corporation. It is the entrance to Dhaka from northern part, Gazipur, etc. Friend, here also Turak River,
also Tongi Khal, also Tongi River. Tongi River. People called different. It's a branch of Turak River, named Turak River or Tongi River or Tongi Khal. It's divided Dhaka and Gazipur. Here, its source Turak River, dividing Dhaka and Gazipur. Here, Tongi Bridge flow to the east, and here east to west. Here, Balu River fall to Balu River. Its total length 15 kilometers and wide 55 meters.
Friend, this Turak River plays a vital role to clean Dhaka, to navigate Dhaka, and also Gazipur City Corporation. The slum or the friend, here the garbage is mixing to its Turak River. Turak River and vast lowland water body. Almost all the year water stay here. It's goods carrier, sand carrier. It's a port, Ashulia landing station.
Friend, at Turak River. Turak River mainly start from here. Its source Bongshi River. Bongshi River. It southern part. And mouth Buriganga River. It length 62 kilometers and wide 82 meters. Let's go see the scenario of Turak River.
It's Rampura Bridge. Here Rampura Khal originated from
Hathir Jheel. Hathir Jheel is a lake, is a water body in the heart of Dhaka. I will make a different video on Hathir Jheel. Here, look, from Hathir Jheel by Swiss Gate, water coming, polluted water. Here Swiss Gate behind Hathir Jheel. Here pump, here water pumping machine. When heavy rainfall occurred, this pumping water to the lake. Here all here in the left side, please, left side, yes, left side. Here also a Swiss Gate. It's from residential water gate. Here residential water gate, and pass under this bridge. Under this bridge, then look, it's Rampura Khal or Rampura Lake. It's friend, it's eastern side of Rampura Bridge. From here, the canal goes to Balu River. Here Swiss Gate. Two door is open. As water not occurred last 6 days, so when heavy rainfall or mass water, then all the doors are opened for passing water to the canal. Only two doors open here. Here also pumping machine, and behind this gate there are many pumping machine to pump water to the canal.
Here Rampura Bridge, the lake started from here and goes to the river Balu. Here we are standing in Aftabnagar, the northern side Aftabnagar and southern side Bonasri. This lake divided two regions: southern Bonasri and northern Aftabnagar. We'll go through this channel. Friend, this is Rampurak Lake, and this is lowland and river Balu River. Here totally lowland, and you are seeing that this is field and lowland filled by sand and soil, and this is new build building. We are standing in the middle eastern tip of Dhaka city. Here this eastern side totally lowland. Friend, here eastern side of Dhaka city. It's far away from main Dhaka or CBD. Here Balu River. It's totally lowland. Some land are field, but totally lowland, mainly lowland. It's Balu River. Balu River. Balu River fall to the Shitalokka River. Shitalokka River. It's 44 kilometer long and 79 kilometer, 79 meter average wide. It's Shitolaka River. It's a middle large river. It's originated from old Brahmaputra. That means Brahmaputra, and here fall to the Dholeshwari. This is Dhaka, our Dhaka, 300 square kilometer and 21 million populated city, mega city. I will make a different video on Dhaka, that means river system, its transport, its water body, its cultural and economical other activities. So to see my video, please touch on with my channel named Nature and People of Bangladesh, and also subscribe my channel.